Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Gemini API key. So first, you just have to simply go to any web browser. You can use Google Web Browser or Microsoft Edge. And then you have to look for Gemini API key. So you have to click this one and then you can search for that Gemini API key or Gemini API. You can click this one, Gemini Developer API. Click this one right here and it will take you directly to this page or to this website. Integrate Google AI models with API key. Click this one, Explore AI models. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds and it will take you directly to Google AI Studio. Now you can tap X or you can click this one right here. So as you can see, you just have to agree with the terms and conditions, click continue, and then tap this create API key. Tap this button right here. So actually it will generate API key. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds. And then after that, it will just appear it right here. And all you have to do is to copy that one. Make sure that you don't share this to anyone. As you can see, I have covered this part right here because this API key should be private. Okay, you can copy this and paste this to anywhere and use this API key, as easy as that. So basically, that's how easy it is to get Gemini API key. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.